What are you doing? You're standing pretty darn good. Did you know you took your first steps today? You did.
You want to come to me, son? Come here, Alexander. Come here.
Come on, bud. Alexander.
Here, come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. You can come here. Come on, Alexander.
Alexander.
Alexander, come here. Quit looking at the fan.
The fan is interesting though. Alexander!
Hey.
Come here! Look, Sammy's walking well.
Come on.
Say hi! Can we still see him if I turn off the thing?
Alexander, come here, buddy. Ah. Alexander. That's you. Come here. Alexander.
Look.
Come here.
Look. Look. Chomp. Play with him with that.
Come here. Come here. Alexander. Alexander, come here.
Troublemaker.
Come to me, son.
It's still spinning.
Alexander, come here, buddy.
Okay, I'm going to stop this one and start a new one, okay?